Good morning, OPOS stars. Let's do the OPOS 30-minute Kashmiri Thali from scratch. This is 1 cup of BASMATI. Some saffron, okay? Just go by your gut. A bit of salt, 3 or 4, it's up to you. Okay, this is around 1 tablespoon. Ware masala, the Kashmiri garam masala, which just crumble it and use it. And if you want to cook more, you just need to double it. Some nuts, saffron pulao. You don't need to mix anything. Just close this. So it's taken us 3 minutes to assemble the saffron pulao. Water. Oil is very important in Kashmiri cuisine. So I'm going to add some the Kashmiri ware masala. Just the basic flavors. Do not worry about the menu. The menu will take care of itself. So I'm going to add some potatoes here. This is good. So it's taken us 9 minutes. I'll cook this for 3. So I'll stop this now, remove this. A couple of magic pots and 1 stove top. Turnip ready. I'll load this in. Masala. A bit of salt, a bit of chili powder. So this will be our turn. Look at that. And add it. There is no need to hurry. It's just 17 minutes up. The whole thing will cook in 6 minutes. So we have 6 more minutes to go. Some salt. This is going to be our chutney. Some chili powder. There's going to be a sweet and sour chutney, some saffrona. I'm going to pack this to the brim. Add this here. This with sugar. Finally, it's up to you. Wait for 6 minutes. Before that, we can do the other preparatory stuff. Sides. How it rises. The pressure has settled. Look at that. When you pair it with the curries, look at that. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Now, this will get firmer. Okay? That's done. I'm going to release the pressure. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Just catch it on live TV so that we don't repeat it the next time. That is done. That looks good. The tomato chutney first. That looks good. Look at that. Now the huck has shrunk. I'm going to remove that. Look at that. I've done this with palak. Can do enough turnips to get mashed. That's turnips and potatoes. Just mash this up. And we are left. Milk if you like, to make it into a gravy. See? Thali in 30 minutes from scratch. That's the saffron rice, the muji chetin or radish raita. That's the huck, the Kashmiri spinach, potato paneer. And this is the tomato chutney, the turnip mash that I know.